Hi, I'm Ramgopal from ArteRamgopal.com. In this video, you will learn how to add a video to Google Slides. It's surprisingly easy to do, so watch on. Here I am on a new slide in Google Slides. There are three ways you can insert a video in Google Slides. To insert a video, go to Insert, and here in the options you will see Video. That takes you to this page. Here you can insert videos from three sources. One way is to insert a YouTube video by searching for a specific video. For example, if I want to search for a video on PowerPoint for beginners by presentation process, I can do that by typing here PowerPoint for beginners. And then I say search, and that searches for the specific title in YouTube. Now this is the video that I was looking for, so I'm going to click on it and then say select, and that would insert that specific video onto my slide. Once I have the video on my slide, I can use the format options to format the video the way I like. Now let us see the other two ways of inserting the video, then we will talk about the formatting options. Let me select this and delete it. Let us go to Insert again. Go to Video. This time I'm going to search by URL. Let me click on By URL option. In this case, I know the specific video I want to open. So I have gone to YouTube, searched for the video, and here I am on the video page. I can select this option here and press Ctrl C, or I can always go to the option called Share, and that would give me the link which I can copy, and I can use it to paste it on Google Slides. Now let us close this, then go back to our slides, and here I am going to paste the YouTube URL. Let me press Ctrl V, which is the shortcut for paste, and you can see a preview of the video. Once you confirm that this is the right video, you can always click on Select, and that would select and insert the video onto your Google Slides. The third way of inserting a video is to insert it from your Google Drive. Let me show you how that is done. Let me select this and delete it. Let us go to Insert again, go to Video, and we have this third option called Google Drive. You can insert the video from your drive or shared drives or the ones that are shared with you. Let me select the one available in my drive. This is a sample video. I want to insert this video, so let me select that, and that activates this option called Select. Let me select it, and that instantly inserts the video onto my slide. Now, once you have the video on your slide, you can format it. First, let me expand the size of this by clicking and dragging it, so I can have the top left corner of the video correspond with the top left corner of Google Slides. And here I have positioned it properly in the top left corner. Then I can click and drag from the bottom right corner so that it occupies the full page as much as possible. And then I can have it centered. To do that, you select the video, go to Arrange, and then say Center on Page, horizontally and vertically. In this case, I'm going to say Center on Page horizontally. Now this is exactly in the center. Then let us go to the various options available in Format options. The first option we have here is Video Playback. Here you have the option to play the video either on click, or when you click on the drop-down menu, you have other options, which is to play automatically or to play manual. I'm going to say play automatically. So what that does is, as soon as I go to the present option, you will have the video playing automatically. The next option is to start at a specific time and end at a specific time. By default, the entire video plays. However, you can choose to play only a part of the clip. For example, in this case, I can see that this is a 12-second video. If I want to play from the 5th second onwards, I can go back here and say 5 seconds. And this needs to play till 10 seconds. So only for 5 seconds, I want this video to play. But then I want it to start from the 5th second onwards and end it by 10th second. When I go to present, see what happens. You can see that the video loads from the 5th second and it goes only till here, which is the 10th second. So that is how you can have control in the duration of play. Let me hit Escape button. Let me select the video again to see some of the other options available. Here, if I want to mute audio of the video, I can do so. I just need to check this option and that will be done automatically. This video doesn't have an audio, so I don't really have to do much. I can go down and see if I have further options available. I can adjust the size and rotation. In this case, you can see the width is 7.5 and height is 5.63. I can lock aspect ratio and reduce the size. For example, if I want this to be only 60% of the total size, I can place it over here. You can see that the size of the video is reduced. Let me click on this again, and that minimizes that option. We can also change the position. Let me go to the position option. I can have this placed on the top left or in the center. Let me choose center. So now I know that it is exactly in the center of the slide. Let me collapse this. And then the final one is drop shadow. When you check this box, you can have a drop shadow option for your video. And once you are happy with the way the video is formatted, you can always go to present, and that will play the video from the duration that you specify till the duration that you want. So that is how you add a video to Google Slides. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button to encourage us to create more such videos. In the meantime, you can check out these other videos from our channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.